All right, guys, we're back with the S2000 rebuild. You saw in the last video what we uncovered, which was took the wrap off and saw the dents on the car. I brought the car to the lift at my shop, and I got some parts already for it to try to put it back to a little bit stock and in my taste. So, and then we'll go from there, get it drivable again and stuff. So let me show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. All right, well, here she is. She's on my lift. I'll do a quick walk around on it. You guys can see there's the exhaust. There's some body work that was done that needs to get fixed. I don't know if there's a dent there. It looks like there is. It needs to be primered. The car had wing, so they covered it. Got another wing for it. Put it back on. Here's the suspension. I did raise it. I couldn't get it on the trailer because it was so low, so I raised it a little bit. Everything still needs to be adjusted. For sure, the bushings need to be replaced. So we'll get it back to the ride height that's convenient, and then start looking at all the bushings at what's needed and go from there. So anyway, let me go through the walk around. There's that. I don't know if this was like this before when we peeled the wrap. It did this. I just got rid of a door and it had this molding, so I got to get another one of these. This trim is broken. I think the car's locked. And I brought the camber out. Oh, first let's tackle this fender. This fender's no good. Somebody can possibly use it if they do, I guess, like that, you know, the Rocket Bunny replica kit. Probably cut this out. It'll basically save this fender again. If somebody's interested, here it is. I'll sell it to you. But yeah, so a lot of Bondo, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, but here's the suspension. So it is back to positive camber. I did bring it forward, but it was still a negative camber. So somehow, and I guess you can do this, or I'm not sure. So this ball joint, this upper ball joint is offset. If you guys can see that. So if anybody buys these making racing coilovers, I'm not sure if they come like this or in pieces, but I guess if you want even more negative camber, you can just turn this around, pitch it in, and we'll do it. So we spun it around, and now we're back to positive camber. All right, here's this side. This fender's not that bad. We may just bring this flare in a little bit. That will require some body work. I mean, I can get another fender, but that's gonna cost maybe over 300 bucks, another 300. So this is not that bad. I'll go over here. The hood, so the car did have some hail damage. You can see it's just better off buying another hood, for my opinion, because it's so much work to put plastic, and it's not bad. I just rather start with a better hood. So that will be for sale. If somebody's interested in doing that, I'll have that for sale on my eBay store or not. So here's the front. It actually looks good with this front lip. Bumper is being replaced. I will probably keep this now that I see it's how hard it is to get an S2000 bumper. So save it with the front lip. So something I want to show you guys. So all I did was bring the camber back. I didn't touch it. Here's this one. Here's that one. So not sure. Those tires were pretty bad. The alignment was brutal, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it and get it lined, new brakes, and all that good stuff. So come back to this end, and we're back around. A little gash here on this hood. Door. That's about it. So. All right, raised it. This fender liner we're missing. There's only half of it here. One of these plugs, I don't think this light was working, but I found this plug was it was unplugged. So it looks like not really sure. I forget what, but it looks all complete under here. Does have an oil leak. Looks like it's just from the drain plug. I did purchase a new drain plug, and hopefully that will fix maybe that leak going this way. Transmission looks okay. I'm not sure if that's the same leak. I'm looking at the rails. The rails, for how low it was, I thought they were going to be crushed, but I did check them before I decided to take this. So the rails are not bad. A little bit scraped here, so we'll probably put some undercoating on that and do that. But overall, she's not bad. It can be fixed. Anything can be fixed. It's not a total car or anything. It's pretty good. So pretty solid. I'm excited. I had one of these a long time ago. So let's go down and boom. So you can see here, it was that low. The exhaust there was no exhaust. So it was completely done. I didn't purchase a full cap back. It looked like they switched out to a test pipe, I guess that's what that is, to stock resonator. And so I ordered her a vibrant muffler. I'm gonna have my boy Joe, he probably will cut it right here, get it welded, put some brackets, pretty clean, and we'll go from there. So looked like they did hit the diff a couple times. You can check. So in the rear subframe. Oh, for sure, this piece on the subframe, I didn't even notice that. I think I have that. Glad I saw that. All right, going to the interior. All right, this door panel looks really good. That's just an extra steering wheel that I had. My brother gave me because he took his steering wheel. I did order one, so I'm waiting on that to come in. The mirror is broken. It's just a little clip, and I think I may have one from another car that I bought. Overall, the interior looks pretty good. It looks, I don't know why these holes are open like that, or that's there. The car doesn't smell like it was wet. Not sure why it's missing this cutout right here. So, may put a carpet in here, or not, floor mats, and just call it a day. But I do have a red carpet, so undecided if I should put that in or not. The seat does have a rip there, seemed pretty common, and another one there. It could be restored, just not sure how much that would cost compared to just buying a maybe a bucket seat. Radio trim is missing. Looks like the vent, I'm gotta double check. I have a dash too, I may have that. The convertible top looks pretty good, doesn't look that bad. And let's go under the hood. All right, here's the engine bay. Looks pretty much all there. That filter, I think in the last video you saw it was just sitting there. I ended up getting a stock air box, so we're going to throw the stock air box back in. Nothing like stock air box, but it looks pretty good. BC coilovers, everything seems like it works. I got to get a new C valve for that. I'm not sure why the valve cover is black. It looks good though. Look, maybe they put a gasket and put a head. Looks redone. That's kind of funny, but I don't know what's going on here. Hopefully I didn't offend anybody, but I didn't do this. So once we replace the hood, we won't have to worry about that. I also have a cover. Yeah, I don't know. So pretty much looks pretty good there. This headlights, I'm not sure if they need to be replaced or re-cleared. I don't know if this is glue from the vinyl or that's really beat up, which sucks. I'm not gonna do this. Somebody else is. I'll get somebody else's opinion. But overall, the car is not bad. We're getting back there, and I like it. All right, parts. Got a fender. Unfortunately, I didn't have one, so I went to TAE Auto Parts. They're not. They're in Plant City, so thank you for that. These things are pricey, so this fender's really good. I'm actually glad this car is not this color. This is like an old people color. I don't like this color, but anyway. Good fender, that'll replace that. Stock intake box, I have that. That's great. I also got that from them, so I can't wait to put that on. To me, that's going to make the car look a lot better. Rear wing, so got a rear wing for that. And I do have the hood that we bought a car to part out. So here's that. So here's the cover, and then windshield washer nozzles too, so that's cool. I'm excited about that. And I know we're missing the mirror. Oh, and an antenna too. Well, I didn't realize I had this here, but I think it's messed up. No, Oh no. Oh yeah, this is broken right there. Anyway, here's another S2000 that I bought that we purchased to part out. So we have quite a few parts from this car. Actually, somebody needs that pipe there, now that I think about it. And yeah, so it has a mirror. And I looked into it, and the other one that's broken is just like a little clip. And the antenna. So that's kind of cool. I know they sell little shorty ones, but I'll take this off, use this. I think that's about it that I need from this car, besides the mirror and this. So pretty cool. Let me take those off, and then we'll have those parts. All right, well, there's the stock intake box back in. Looks so much better. We're gonna do a tune-up on the next video. We're gonna close it out here. I think we're good for right now. Just wanna give you guys a quick update on where we're at. Hopefully on the next video, we'll have the fender on. I'm also getting the wheels powder coated, so the RPF ones are getting powder coated. They came off the crash car that we got the mirror from. So, yeah, like, subscribe.